So in this problem, we want the square root of 81x to the sixth, and what we're doing is, the problem tells us to assume that all the variables are positive numbers. So that's nice, because then we don't have to deal with these absolute values. So square root of 81, we know that one. Let's just write that. That's going to be a 9, and then we have the square root of x to the sixth. Using this procedure that we've developed here, we're going to take the index into the exponent. So in this case, we're going to get 2, right? It's a square root, so 2 into 6. This will go 3 times with remainder 0. So this means we can take 3 x's out. 0 x's will remain under the radical. So nothing's left under the radical. So we're going to have here that 9, and then bring those 3 x's out. Nothing remains under the radical, so there we are, 9x cubed. And here, number 77. Now, this negative sign is outside the radical, outside the square root, so we're going to get a negative value out of this. So let's see what we get here. We are going to get negative. Now, the square root of 64 is 8. Now, what we want to do is we want to look at the index into these exponents to see how many m's to take out and how many n's to take out and how many will remain under those radicals, if any. So for m, we're going to take 2 into 10, which will go 5 times, remainder 0. So we can take 5 m's out, 0 will remain under the radical. We can probably just do this in our head, actually. And for the n's, we'll take 2 into 8. That'll go 4 times with remainder 0. So we can take out 4 n's, 0 will remain under the radical. So we're going to get here negative 8 m, we can take out 5, n, take out 4, and no m's, right? No m's, no n's remains under the radical. So there's nothing left under the radical. So this expression here, this radical, can be converted to this expression right here. Much simpler. Number 83, we can break this square root of 20. 20 I can write as 2 numbers, one of which I know the square root of. So how about 4 times 5x cubed? Now, let's just do this. You know, you can do part of this in your head. You know you're going to break this into square root of 4, square root of 5x cubed, and the square root of 4 is 2. So you're going to get 2 square roots of 5x cubed. And now, do you think you can go from here right to here? What you're going to think is, okay, 20 is 4 times 5. Square root of 4 is 2. So you don't have to go through all this. You can just break this down directly if you can. And then, for this x right here, I'm going to do the index, take the index into the exponent. So we're going to get 2, this is for our x here, 2 into 3, that'll go once with remainder 1. So we can take 1x out and 1 will remain. So let's do that. So we're going to get our 2, take 1x out, square root, the 5 is still there, and 1x remains, right? 1x comes out, 1 remains. So I think we've got it.